Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to call a procedure within another procedure. So that means I want to execute the procedure within other procedure. So first I will show my two tables. So this is my EMP table, so which contains 16 rows and 4 columns. So coming to this EMP audit, so I have two columns, audit message and recorded on. Now, first I am creating one store procedure on EMP table. A logic of the store procedure is whenever I pass any input parameter as ID, I want to get the details of this employees. Okay, create procedure get employee data. Okay, this is my procedure name. So here I am passing EMP ID as input parameter, integer as data type. As so between begin and end, so I am writing my logic. Select so ID, comma name, comma gender and cell. I will get all these details of the 4 columns from EMP table name. Where so here I am mapping ID. ID is the column name of the table with EMP ID is input parameter. So this is my first procedure. So refresh your healthcare database. So go to programmability, store procedure, get employee data is my procedure name. So refresh your store procedure here. You can see get employee data here. So how to call procedure? Exec and take procedure name, and here it is asking input parameter. So here I am passing 1. It means employee ID 1. If I execute this here, you will get details of the employee ID 1 from the EMP table. Alias female. So here alias female is the employee ID 1 details. So this is the first store procedure. So our logic is I want to create a procedure within another procedure. Okay, this is my second table, employee audit. Right now there is no data. So I want to create this store procedure to insert the records into this table. Create procedure get EMP info is my procedure name. So in this scenario also I am taking the same one input parameter employee ID. So here I am writing my insert statement. Insert into this table. So here I am taking column names of this audit table. Sorry, EMP audit. Insert into this table. 2 columns are there, audit message and next one is recorded on. I am inserting the values in these 2 columns. Values. So here I am writing text message in the audit message column. Getting EMP, getting details for EMP ID. Okay, I'm casting the EMP ID because this is the integer, right? So I'm casting this as Varchar. So for inserting the values in the audit message, I am just adding some text, getting details for employee ID. So I'm casting this employee ID as Varchar. For the second value, recorded on. For recorded on, I am taking just Getdate. Okay. So I am inserting the data into this employee audit table for these two columns. For audit message, I am writing some text message, get details for employee ID. I am just casting the employee ID as Varchar. Since this is the data type for this audit message is Varchar. Okay. For second one, I am taking Getdate. Our intention is to execute the procedure within other procedure. So I want to execute this procedure. So for that I am using exec of this procedure get employee data. Okay, and pass the input parameter, and finally end. Okay, so this is first store procedure to get the data of the employee. This is second store procedure. So I want to insert the details of the employee in employee audit table. So for that I am also executing the first store procedure inside the second store procedure. Okay, I am executing this one. So commands completed successfully. Now I want to execute this procedure. EXEC procedure. I am passing ID1, that is employee ID1. So you can get employee ID1. This is the requirement of the first store procedure, get employee data. And at the same time, I want to insert into employee audit. So you can check the table, employee audit table, select star from EmpId audit. Your message is recorded. Okay. If I change this as employee ID 3, so what is the employee ID 3 here? Go to main table. So here employee ID 3 the Charlie male 55,000. Okay, if I execute employee ID 3 here, you can see Charlie male 55,000. At the same time, you can see the employee audit table. The message has been recorded. Getting details of the employee ID 3 with Getdate. So this is how you need to. I am calling this store procedure get employee data. I am calling this store procedure within another store procedure. Just by including this executive statement of the store procedure or the first store procedure and pass the input parameter like that, so that you will calling this store procedure inside the another store procedure. You need to call a procedure within another. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.